So in this video, I am going to show you how to reset Windows 11 to factory settings. This process can help resolve system issues, improve performance, and is essential if you are planning to sell your PC. Remember to back up your important data before starting to avoid any loss. Plus, it's an effective way to give your device a fresh start and ensure it runs smoothly. So let's start the video. First, open your Windows setting by clicking the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen and now selecting the settings option. If you don't see it, you can use the search bar at the top to find and open your settings. Once in settings, navigate to the left hand side and select system. Scroll down until you find recovery. If you can't locate it, use the search function within settings. Once in the recovery section, you will see the option for reset this PC, which allows you to choose whether to keep or remove your personal files while reinstalling Windows. Click on Reset PC to proceed. You will then see two options: Keep your files, which removes apps and settings but retains your personal files, or Remove everything. Select your desired option. For instance, choosing to keep your files will prompt the system to get things ready. Next, decide how you want to reinstall Windows. You can either download and reinstall it or reinstall it from your device. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. So that's how to reset Windows 11 laptop or PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.